prayer is serious business. And if you are in doubt, ask Uhuru Kenyatta. And myself. Prayer is serious business. First, when we went to State House for the first time after we won the election, we accompanied His Excellency the President to State House. So when we arrived there, we went to the office, inside the office where a long time we used to go and see Nyayo inside. So when we entered inside, the President told me, my friend, please pray first, let us pray. So I prayed. And then we had a chat, then we came outside. So, and then another aide of ours, I don't want to mention his name because he has applied for a job. It might be used against him. So we came outside there when we were having a chat. So this gentleman told us, now you guys, supposing somebody shows up here and says, sorry gentlemen, there was a small mistake. You are not supposed to be the ones who are supposed to be.